Hey everybody, welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing shrimp toast. Makes a great appetizer or even a meal if you like. Real easy to make. We're going to take some Texas toast garlic out of the freezer and put it under our broiler. And we're going to make sure that we toast both sides. That's one side. Flip it over. Toast the other side. That's that done. We're going to set that to the side. And we're going to work on our sauce. I've got a large frying pan out nonstick. A little bit of olive oil. A couple tablespoons of butter. We'll melt that down and mix it up. Then we're going to add about 3 or 4 cloves of minced garlic. And we'll start to saute that garlic. Now I've got some jalapenos that I diced up and some sun-dried tomatoes. You can pass on the jalapenos if you don't like that little kick, but I do. And once that garlic becomes fragrant, we're going to add about a 3/4 cup of vegetable broth. You can use chicken broth also. And we'll give that a good mix up. Next I got some seasonings. I've got a teaspoon of oregano, black pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes. Give that a good mix up. I've got the heat on just a little bit past medium. Now we're going to add a half a cup of half and half or cream, whatever you have. While I'm mixing that up, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about us. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. I really appreciate y'all very much. The channel is starting to grow real good. I'm very happy. Now I've got about 10 to 12 jumbo shrimp that I've taken the tails off, deveined and cleaned. And we're going to cook these about 3 minutes on each side. Shrimp cook fairly fast. So you don't want to overcook them because then they're too rubbery. Once we flip these over, we'll go another couple of minutes. And then we'll remove and set to the side for now. I've got about 3/4 cup of Asiago cheese that I've shredded. You can also use Parmesan. And I'm just going to plop that right in the middle there. And that's going to start to melt immediately. So we'll take our spatula and slowly mix around it and let it slowly melt into the sauce. And the sauce will start to thicken. And once the sauce thickens up, we're going to ladle on some right in the middle of a plate. We're going to put 2 pieces of Texas toast down. About 3 shrimp per toast. Then we'll ladle on just a little bit more sauce on top. And we'll finish it off with a little bit of parsley just to make it look really nice. And it's ready to serve. It's a delicious, like I said, you can use 1 piece of toast and 3 shrimp for an appetizer per person. Or if you're making it a meal, 2 pieces of toast with 6 shrimp is sufficient. All right, enjoy. Come back for more. Thank you.